there, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we have a Simply Gilded unboxing video. I think this might be the July kit called Lullaby Moon. As you can see, it's pretty big. I'm wondering if maybe all the kits are now quite big, but got a little bit damaged in the mail, which is fine. Always hit and miss. It's not just with Simply Gilded. I feel like with most boxes I get, it's always going to be hit and miss because that's the mail for you. So yeah, let's just get right into the unboxing. Oh, okay, yeah, it's like really coming apart here. It's like opening up like this, which is just gonna make unboxing a lot easier. By the way, I hope you guys are doing well. This is week 3, the 3rd week of stage 4 lockdown in Melbourne. And I've been talking to a few of my friends. Some are going through it a little bit rougher than others, so I thought I would just kind of call it out in this video and say I hope you guys are doing well, and if you're not, feel free to leave me comments down below so we can talk to each other, hopefully make ourselves feel better. And yeah, I'm cute. Ooh, look at this, check that out. That is really nice. I love this detail, the design on the inside. Okay, I think that's the wrapper for a pen. Yes, all right, yep, it is the July box. I'm so excited. Yeah, this is so cool. You could fit, my iPad mini would fit here. I don't know if my actual iPad might fit in here. Maybe. I'm like extra excited for Simply Gilded stuff because I've been using it up a lot more recently. I've been using the, I don't remember which month this came in, but remember that traveler notebook planner? And I've been setting it up with a lot of the notebooks from Simply Gilded and creating different types of planners and experimenting, and I'm really excited to introduce more elements into it now. Every month there's an opportunity to introduce something new. So let's check out these stickers. So I love this color. It's pink and blue, but it's like powder blue, powder pink. It just feels really relaxing and soothing, which is exactly what we need right now. So we've got some numbers, which are more like date stickers. We've got your icon stickers, some half boxes. It's pretty same, like the format is very similar every single month. I love this crescent moon. That's beautiful. All the different foiling. And then you've got your standardish kit stickers as well, which I have not actually used any of these kit stickers in my Simply Gilded Traveler Notebook. So I might actually do that for a spread because you'd think it actually make a lot of sense. So that's the sticker kit. And then we've got the card here, which I'll just put to the side, make sure I cover everything. This is a keychain. Oh, it looks so cute. I love this like musical crescent moon vibe it's got going. Fun fact, I don't know if you guys know, but I've actually been studying classical piano specifically since I was 5. I think I stopped formal lessons when I entered the workforce full-time, but I still play. And I trained up to basically concert pianist level-ish. I guess that's like a general way to put it. So I still love to play. One of my life ambitions is to one day, I think I'd like to go to university and get like a bachelor in music or something, but that would be when I've not retired, but I would say I wouldn't need to work my full-time job. Not quite yet. But yeah, so music does have a very soft spot in my heart because I grew up with it. It's probably one of the first things I remember as a kid, playing the piano, going to lessons, doing exams, all that sort of great stuff. So yeah, I don't know, now this kit, just looking at it, all the like the treble clefs and the notes, just bringing back a lot of fond memories. And then yeah, more dividers. This is the normal gel pen that she usually provides. It's got a good weight to it. They all look really pretty, but I'm guilty of not using these that much just because I prefer pens that are much lighter. I'm not good with heavy pens. And this looks like a Sakura pen, Sakura Jelly Roll, which I'm not sure what color, but we can test this out at the end. So now we've got this notebook, which I actually, oh my gosh, did you see this? It's like a music sheet. Did you see this? It's the actual music sheet. I'm really curious to know what piece this is now. Not sure if it's coming up on camera. The lighting today is pretty bad because it's quite rainy. I'm actually filming this on a Saturday. This is going up on Sunday, so it's very real time. It's a lot more real time than I'm used to. Okay, but you can, I don't know if you noticed, but the colors are a little different in that the dots here are much softer and smaller and lighter than this one. I'm assuming it's just like a printing thing and not really intentional. I don't think it's intentional. Yeah, I think it's just a printing thing, but either way, love this part of the notebook. That threw me off. Like, I just thought it would be blue on the back, but no, it's a beautiful music sheet. All right, so now let's check out this. I gotta figure out what it is. Confetti Tape kit is what I'm reading in this thing, so just referring to that, it says Confetti Tape kit. So I just checked the Simply Gilded box Instagram account, and it doesn't really explain how this works. I don't know if there's like a specific way this works, but this just feels like normal tape to me, to be honest, with some musical patterns on it. Let me see if I can show you guys. But yeah, you can kind of see it's like very sparsed out, little stars and musical notes and crescent moons, and then you've got a full glitter pack here with very similar shapes as well. So yeah, I'm not really sure if maybe you stick these down with this tape to create a very beautiful glistening sort of pattern, but maybe you can do what you want with it. Either way, I haven't really thought about how I'm going to use this, but I'm sure something will hit me at some point. All right, let's get on to the washi tape, probably one of my favorite parts. Got 6 washi strips, and then, oh, this card got a little bit bent. That's okay, it's still pretty. Okay, let me unwrap these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back now with the washi tape, and also just FYI, this music sheet, I actually went to go try it out on the piano, and it's Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, first movement, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So with the washi tape, this is the beautiful but textured version. I feel like in the last 2 or 3 kits, a textured washi tape has always been included. And I love the designs because they look so pretty, but I'm not the biggest fan of the texturedness. I don't know why. I think it's because the washi tape itself is a little thicker, so it feels like tape as opposed to washi tape, if that makes sense. Washi tape to me is usually very thin and very malleable, but this one is a little bit more rigid. Still really nice, but yeah, it's just, if you ask me between the two, that's just my preference. Then we've got, this is like a label stickers, so we've got like to buy, to pay this week and probably next week, and I don't know how many other labels, but probably quite a few, and they're perforated so you can pull them off to be actual labels. This foiled crescent moon version, also perforated, so great for decoration. Then we've got the beautiful bows that are just so quintessential of Simply Gilded on musical stuffs, and then the last one is actual music stuff, music bars on a really soft pink. I love the color set for this. I think I already mentioned that I love the color theme of this kit, but I just really, really love how everything's so cohesive together. So yes, probably one of my favorites so far. And it doesn't hurt that the musical element really gets to me, like it really touches me. So let's go try out that pen. I think this might be green. I can't tell what color it is, and it doesn't actually say, but let's give it a go. Oh no, it's some reason it looked green here to me, but it's actually, it's like a chrome silver. So it's not silver, but it's a darker, not gunmetal, but almost gunmetal-like. But yeah, you can't go wrong with the Sakura Jelly Rolls. They're like some of my favorite pens. So beautiful, creating headers and designs. So yeah, that is everything in July's Simply Gilded unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.